Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to show you how to make a gardening vegetable patch on wheels in this cart. What you will need is a black waterproof mat. To make this last longer, you will need a vegetable planting mix. To fill this up with dirt, you will need this to stop everything coming out the holes and for drainage, and you will need some plants to plant in there. I'll show you how to do it, so let's get into it. The first thing you'll need to do is make this mat the size that you will need. You will need a marker, a vivid, and you will also need scissors. What you'll need to do to make this the right size, you could either measure that, or place it inside there and trace the outside. I have now placed out the mat nice and flat across the bottom. Now it's time to draw it. Now that I've drawn on the line, I'm going to cut it. We've now got the mat down, with the waterproof mat to protect the metal and stop it draining out the bottom. Now it is time to measure this. I know that this mat is about the right width for the cart, so that's good, but now I just need to measure from here to here. How I'm going to do this is I'm going to measure this, and this, add them together and cut a piece that long off the coconut mat. So I think I'm going to want this 2 pieces of this coconut mat thick, just so it's like extra strong. That all adds up to about 160 centimeters in length, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that length. Now that you've placed this in, you can either use someone else or pegs to hold this up while you put the dirt in. I'm going to use pegs. We've now laid that out and it's time to pour in the dirt. When pouring in the dirt, you need to be careful because this is a vegetable, well, the one we're using here is a vegetable mix, and it's bad if you breathe it in, so wear a mask and gloves just to be safe. Now that we've put in the dirt, it's time to trim off any sticky out edges. After that, we can start planting the lettuce. Here I am, 1 month later. It's looking great. The lettuce turned out really well, beautiful, looks really good. And it's portable, you can take it around anywhere you want. Yeah, it's really nice. I'll give you a closer look. I hope you found this useful and it's helped you create your own portable vegetable garden. And if you haven't made your own one, I hope it has inspired you to make your own one. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.